Hello, my name is Ecouia and I'm the owner and founder of Silky Socks, and today I'm coming to you with a holiday hair tutorial featuring this one ponytail and how you can style it 3 different ways using these cute barrettes by Justine Marjan. So I will put the link down below of where I got the ponytail and also where I got the barrettes if you're interested in getting them. And also, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and follow us here on Silky Socks. We do wig reviews, hair tutorials, and we also show you our beautiful, wonderful, luxurious hair products here that are part of our line at Silky Socks. And also turn on your notifications, hit that bell wherever you may be watching, whether it's at home on the computer or somewhere with your cell phone. We love for you to know when we drop a video. So without further ado, let's get into it. Since this is a 3-in-1 hair tutorial video, I'm starting with my hair already in a ponytail. Use your favorite gel to rub around the base of your head. Rub the gel into your hair, then use a brush to brush your hair up into a ponytail. Make sure you get the base as smooth as possible. Then secure the ponytail with a hair tie. Next, I'm using a leave-in conditioner to spray my hair and keep it moisturized. I'm rubbing the conditioner in. This is especially important during the winter season to keep your hair from drying out. Now I'm going to section my hair to braid it into a ponytail. Once your hair is braided, take bobby pins and secure the braid into a bun at the top of your head. Make sure the bun is secure and as small as possible because it is the base to attach the faux ponytail. Now I'm going to lay my edges with Silky Socks Edge Control and a toothbrush. After you've laid your edges down, tie your hair down with a scarf, silk preferably, to help your edges lie perfectly in place for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Once the time has passed, remove the scarf. Now I'm taking the faux ponytail out of our bundle Silky Sack. As you can see, the ponytail is nice and silky because of our luxurious silk lining inside of our Silky Sack. This is the Motown Tress Bang Ponytail. The link is down below. I'm taking mousse to use on the synthetic ponytail to help with any frizz. Rub the mousse into the ponytail and the bangs. Always use mousse or water on synthetic hair to style because it doesn't absorb oil. And now I'm just brushing the mousse through the hair. The ponytail contains a drawstring and 2 combs. Put the ponytail on by placing your bun in between the 2 combs. Also attach the bangs down by snapping the 2 combs into place. And once you get into place, pull the drawstring and hide the drawstring underneath the ponytail. Make sure the ponytail is secure and add additional bobby pins if needed. Once the ponytail is in place, you're ready for style 1. In this glam rhinestone bobby pin, make sure you really open this particular pin wide. Slide it into the top of the ponytail right above the bangs. You can also place the bobby pin on the side of your head, whichever way you prefer. For style 2, you simply want to twist the ponytail and wrap it in a circle, creating a bun at the top of your head. Secure the bun around into a circle by using bobby pins, and use as many pins as you need to secure your bun. Now I'm using the dripping rhinestone bobby pin from the Justine Marjan collection as well. This is my favorite bobby pin from the collection. Again, I'm going to place it on the side. You can also place it in the back of your head, wherever you prefer. And finally, style 3. You want to take the ponytail and braid it. Braid the ponytail with any style you like. You can fishtail it, twist it, any style you like, just make it a braid. Secure the bottom with a small rubber band. Attach a barrette or a bow. I'm using the Glam pin again from that same collection at the bottom of the braid. Now you have a glamorous braid. So there you have it. 3 different hairstyles using one ponytail that you can rock throughout the holiday season. Which was your favorite hairstyle? Share with us down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Happy holidays, and remember, better care is better wear.